Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and apply the old age filter in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page we are greeted by, from where we can get started selecting the image that we want to use. Right here at the bottom of the screen we have the camera roll and our phone gallery. So you can get started selecting your image that you want to apply the old age filter to. So I'm going to tap on an image I have right here that I can go ahead and use for this tutorial. And now here is going to open it up in this editor menu, where at the bottom of the screen we can find all the editor options we have. So what we want to do is go and scroll down all the way to the right until we find a section that says age. This is how we can go ahead and get started with using the old age filter. Once you open up age, it's going to show you all the age filters you have right here. And if you scroll all the way to the right, you're going to have the old one as well. So this is what you want to do. You want to select the filter that you want to use, and here you have multiple ones you can go and select. So you're going to select it right here, and once you're satisfied and you want to apply this old age filter, you're going to go ahead and click the save option in the upper right corner, and this is going to enable you to go and save your image to your gallery, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.